Right now, I'd want to share with you the simplest way to earn money on YouTube without ever showing your face or using your voice or recording any of the videos yourself. And you can make the same amount of money that I am. Using this technique, you can literally make thousands of dollars in affiliate marketing commissions per month. In this video, I'll teach you everything step by step. Be sure to watch till the end without skipping. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's move forward to the video. The niche that we are making YouTube Shorts is the health niche. Why? Because the audience is watching health and fitness related content. They are more likely to purchase health related products online. And health and fitness related products are among the best selling products on the internet. So, in the first stage, we need to identify some YouTube channels on health, nutrition, and fitness. See this channel create workouts and ways to weight loss related videos. For example, how to eat to lose belly fat received 963,000 views. All of their videos are about losing weight. You must also find these kinds of YouTube channels because these channels help us find good short video topics. And the topic of the video is most important. See this channel produce healthy recipes that help people to reduce their fat. This is a good channel because a lot of people hate workouts and they want to find a way to lose fat without exercising. Firstly, you need to find these kinds of 10 to 20 channels for generating YouTube short video ideas. After that, we create a short channel like this. They produce just short videos and they have 76,000 subscribers. For now, I think this is the topic that seems good. Remember, in recent times the videos that gain more views than others, we will choose that video topic to create our short video. See, in recent times this video gained more views than others, so it is a suitable video topic. Now step 2, writing YouTube Shorts script. Search for that topic on Google. You will discover a lot of blog articles on that topic. For now, I am opening this blog article. From this article, you will get your YouTube Shorts script. Now you need to create a template like this. This is a script writing template, where first you have to mention your video title, then introduce to them the problem, then the solution to that problem, and lastly the affiliate product promotion. Here, the title is Steps for Beating Belly Fat. Now you need to tell them what is the problem of having belly fat. For this, search on Google why belly fat can harm. Just copy this line and paste it over here. Because of this, your audience understands what is the problem of larger belly fat. Now the solution part. And the solution is here. Copy and paste this here. Okay, our short script is almost ready. Now we need to add a call to action for our affiliate product. See, the solution is to maintain a diet like eating 2 small apples, a cup of green peas, etc. But most people don't like to maintain a diet at all. So for them, you can mention this. If you don't have time to maintain these things, you can use this product. Here you need to mention your affiliate product name. Basically, you need to write something like this. Now, in step 3, making our short video. For making shorts video, we use a software called Lumen 5. Firstly, you need to sign into Lumen 5 account. After signing in, you will see this kind of interface. Now you need to click on a new video. Then you need to choose a template. From here you will get a lot of templates for making your short video. You can choose any one from these templates. You can preview any template from here. Now, you need to select the 9:16 video ratio, which means vertical video ratio. Here, I am selecting the origin template for making my short video. The preview of this template actually looks like this. Click on Use this template, and it will take some time to load the template. Now, you need to copy the whole script and paste it over here, and then click on Convert it to video, and it will automatically convert the text into video. See, our video is quite ready. Just you need to customize this a little bit. For example, if I don't like this slide design, I can modify it from here. You may choose any of them. This is the one I've chosen. You may now modify the stock footage as well. You can get a ton of free stock footage by searching here with a keyword. Simply drag and drop it here. Look at how wonderful it is now. You may also change the text. When you click on the text editing option will appear. You can see a preview of this here. It appears to be quite professional. If you make a few changes, it will seem much more professional. You may add music from this section. You may upload your voiceover from here by clicking upload and dragging and dropping it from your computer. Simply click the publish button to begin producing the video. As you can see, it renders and says that you need to upgrade to remove the Lumen 5 watermark. However, you do not need to upgrade to remove the watermark. I'll teach you how to do it later. Our video has been rendered, and it appears to be quite professional and of great quality. However, towards the end, you will notice this Lumen 5 watermark. You may easily trim or delete this segment using any video editing software. Now comes the final step, making money using shorts. But first, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. So for making money from YouTube Shorts, go to digistore24.com. This is an affiliate marketplace similar to ClickBank, except the commission is significantly more than in other affiliate markets. And, as you can see, I am making thousands of dollars from this website. Firstly, you need to just register yourself here. Click on register and then choose to sign up as an affiliate. After that, fill up all the information and click on register for free now. After registering, you need to click on the marketplace and you will see a lot of digital and physical products that you can promote. But we need to find weight loss related products from here. Different kinds of products are listed here. And just see the affiliate commission from here. This product called Medicore pays €108 affiliate commission. This product pays €168. This one pays €39, and so on. All the products' affiliate commissions are very good. But before promoting any product, you need to see this thing, the cancellation rate. Here, the cancellation rate is 11.8%. The cancellation rate means how much time the product was canceled by the customer. If it is higher, then you should not promote the product. Here, the cancellation rate is 12.6% and here 11.5%. You need to see another thing, which is cart conversion. Here, the conversion rate is 25%. Here it is 2% and here 10%. For example, a 25% cart conversion rate means 100 of 25 people purchased this product when they knew about it, which is a very good conversion rate. Basically, from these products, you need to select a product that has less cancellation rate and more conversion rate. Here I am selecting this product because it is health related and has a good conversion rate. So I am just copying this affiliate promotion link from here. Then you need to create a short channel like this and upload short videos on that channel. Then in your short videos, click on comment and here just paste the link of that product and pin it. Here, the pin comment option is not showing as it is not my channel. I am uploading a short on my channel, from which I will show you how to do that. Just open the short and then comment on it in that way. And from these three dots, you will get this pin comment option. And it will be pinned in your short video. Pin comment means your comment will appear above everyone else's comment. As you told about the product in the last of your shorts, that's why people are gonna check the first comment. And when they see the product that will help them to lose fat, most of them will surely purchase the product and you will earn the affiliate commission. That's how you actually make money. That's it for today. Don't just watching videos, go and make a short channel right now and start make money right from today. Now if you want to make money watching YouTube videos, then you need to watch this video shown on the screen. And if you're not subscribing yet, subscribe now. It's free, but you will get new online income ideas daily. See you in the next video.